Hello everyone. So here we are. There's beautiful Lake Erie. We're in northern Ohio in a town called Sandusky. And I'm just showing you the park that I'm in right now. And now let's go back to the bike. This is why we're actually making this video. It's a folding bike called the Dahon Hit. Dahon is a company that makes it. And actually the full name of this bike is the Dahon Hit Pandemic Special. Let's talk about the special features of this very already unique bike because it's folding. Not many people have folding bikes. Most people have regular bikes. But let's talk about this folding bike, okay? Folding bikes are a little bit more expensive. Let's say add $200 to the price of your bike. Why? Because you pay for that convenience of being able to carry your bike onto a train or a bus and have it sit right next to you, nice and compact. This bike, however, is special because Dahon made this bike for the pandemic, and its marketing strategy is to get more people outside riding their bikes. And they did a couple things to this bike. First, let's talk about this. This is a welded piece of metal here to strengthen both the body and the seat post here. Now, what happened when they did that? Well, they made the bike capable of having a rider up to 300 pounds. I'm not 300 pounds, but people that weigh more can ride this bike safely. It's a very, very strong frame. As a matter of fact, the frame went from a warranty of 5 years to 10 years because of this and one other thing. This Deltec cable strengthens the frame, and it allows the bike to hold more weight. So we have two things. This Deltec cable, Deltec they call it, and of course the strengthening here. Also, this is a stronger seat post. Let's talk about some other features of the bike. Let's talk about the handlebars. Handlebars can be adjusted. Here we have the quick release type of apparatus, and we can adjust the handles up or down so that it can fit your riding style. I'm going to lock that back down. It can fit your riding style. The seat posts, of course, can go up and down very easily. This is a feature of almost all folding bikes. They have seat posts that go up and down. That helps, of course, keep the size down. When I bought this bike, it did not come with fenders here in the U.S., so I put fenders on the back and on the front. You're asking, wait a minute, what size are those tires? Those tires look small. Well, they are. They're 20-inch tires, allowing the bike to fold smaller. There are, of course, bikes that have smaller tires, 16-inch and 14-inch, but these are 20-inch. It has V-type brakes. These are not, of course, disc brakes, but they're V-type brakes on front and back. This bike has 6 different gears. That's not a lot, by the way. That's not a lot. But I tend to only use about 4 gears anyway. Now, let's talk about some adjustments I made to the bike. I bought a new seat. The seat that came with it wasn't padded enough for me. You know, I guess I'm just a big guy and I need more padding. So I bought a new seat for that. What else did I do? Well, the handlebar grips here, these grips are different than the ones that came with the bike. So I suggest if you get this bike, you get some more grips, more comfortable to your hands, bigger, fatter. I also bought some mountain bike pedals, and you can get more of your foot on this pedal. And to me, it translates into more comfort and more power. And really, the bike comes with folding pedals. I never folded them. So I said, let me just put some nice mountain bike pedals on there. So I really converted to a folding bike. My last bike was a 29-inch wonderful Fuji. Man, that bike was wonderful. It was 29 inch. big mountain bike, awesome bike. But I'm moving to Europe, and I want to be able to take the trains without any problem, so I bought this bike. So this is the Dahon Hit Pandemic Special, wonderful bike. We're going to go for a ride. That's going to be in another video. I just wanted to show you what this bike is like. I paid $500 and nice train. $587 for this bike, and then of course I added this change, of course, modified those things. Why didn't I change those 5 spots? Well, those are the 5 spots where your body comes in contact with any bike: the handlebars, the seat, and the pedals. And once you get those situated so that you're comfortable, then you'll ride more. So that's exactly what I did. Okay, Dahon Hit Pandemic Special. Yeah, it's a wonderful bike. I love it. Okay, so we'll get to another video where I'm riding. Bye-bye, everyone. We'll see you later. There's the lake. Wow, isn't that pretty?